Try again. Get the water to the end of the tube. Excellent! Put the funnies in the triangle. 1. Just fantastic! I wonder what funnies will grow here. Run your finger along the tube. Wow! What a little cutie!
Oval. 1.
Put them in the trolley.
Oval.
2. Extraordinary! You're doing a brilliant job. Let's try one more time. Try again. Get the water to the end of the tube. Wow! Hexagon. Put the funnies where it's glowing green.
Hexagon.
Hexagon.
3.
Hexagon.
4.
Super duper! You're so good at this. You got some vasitable. The funnies are going to fly. Quick, choose the right size platform for the funnies and drag them to it.
Middle.
Yes, that funny fits. Now put the others on the other platforms. Look, these bunnies want to fly on a helicopter too. Help them sit on the platforms.
Ice cream.
More passengers incoming.
Great.
Put the funnies on the platform for the
Middle.
helicopter
Great.
to take off.
Small. Great.